Welcome to the Build America Center's channel. Today we're diving into the essentials of completing the SF-425 form, the Federal Financial Report. This form is crucial for ensuring compliance with federal financial management requirements. If you're managing federal grants, stay tuned for step-by-step guidance on how to navigate SF-425. The SF-425 form is required for recipients of federal funds, including those under the COPS Office grant programs, to report cumulative financial information. Whether you're submitting quarterly, semi-annual, or final financial reports, understanding SF-425 will streamline your reporting process and help you avoid errors. Let's break down the key components of the SF-425 form, starting with the basics. In Section 1, you begin by specifying the federal agency and identifying the grant number. Make sure this information matches your award documents to avoid processing delays. Moving on to Section 3, enter your organization's full legal name and address. Make sure to include the DUNS and EIN numbers as well. Section 6 requires you to select the report type: quarterly, semi-annual, annual, or final. It's important to select the correct option to comply with federal reporting deadlines. Next, let's look at Section 10, Transactions. This section captures your financial data in detail. Lines 10A through 10C are about cash management. You'll report the cash you've received, disbursed, and cash on hand. Lines 10D through 10O are focused on expenditures, obligations, and program income. For example, Line 10E captures the total federal share of expenditures. These are all allowable costs under your award. On Line 10H, you'll report the irresolute balance, which shows how much federal funding remains unspent. Completing the form accurately is essential for proper grant management. Let's talk about the indirect expenses, captured in Section 11. Enter details like the type of indirect cost rate, the period for which it applies, and the federal share. Once completed, the SF-425 form should be submitted to the federal agency as instructed in your grant agreement. Remember, this form not only helps track your grant spending but also demonstrates your compliance with federal regulations, ensuring your future eligibility for federal funding. Proper submission and reporting keep your project compliant and audit-ready, reducing the risk of penalties and supporting continued success in managing federal grants. If you need more detailed guidance on the SF-425 form or managing federal financial reports, be sure to check out our other resources and tutorials on our website. Thanks for watching. Accurate reporting makes a difference. Let's keep building a compliant and resilient America together.